Hey everyone, you probably weren't expecting this at the beginning of this jump rope video. Seeing a little spider. I was just tying my shoes and I noticed something moving on the ground, and it turns out it was a little spider. Nice to slow down, be aware of what's going on. Even in a moment that we think might be dull, there's really no dull moments. There's always something happening. It's heading to a jump rope class with all those legs. Imagine how difficult it must be to perform jump rope footwork drills. All right, I think it's a good place to leave it. Let's begin with today's video. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I just set my timer for just over 30 minutes. So I will jump rope for the entire duration. Grab your jump rope and jump rope with me. If you can't jump rope and watch this video at the same time, go ahead, shut off this video. If it motivates you and encourages you to jump rope, switch off the video and go jump rope. I'm jumping rope here with a 1/4 pound cross rope. This one is 8'6", and my height is 5'9", 5'10" on a good day. So it's raining heavily outside. Otherwise, I'd love to be outside jumping rope. The past few days, I've done quite a bit of jump rope. So, won't do anything too intense today probably. Just nice to jump rope, move my body a little bit. Same for you guys. I know a lot of you who follow this channel love jumping rope. Get so much enjoyment out of it. What a fun form of cardio. It's almost like play really, yet you're getting all the benefits of exercise. Let's say, for example, you want to learn a certain jump rope move. You get to learn a cool trick, a cool move, while at the same time moving your body and being active. So, what a great activity. So much fun. So right now I'm spinning the rope relatively quickly, staying light on the toes and balls of my feet. Do the boxer skip here, which involves shifting my body weight from one leg, one foot, to the other leg, to the other foot. Not jumping high off the ground. This rope, it's, as I said, a 1/4 pound cross rope. It's not that thick, so you really don't need to jump too high. What type of jump rope are you using these days? Leave a comment down below. If you have any preferences in terms of jump ropes, jump rope brands, leave a comment down below. I'm wearing some Nikes today. These are Nike Freeze 5.0, type of minimalist shoe. The sole, or the heel rather, is quite high. It's got a high heel to toe drop. In a lot of videos recently, I was wearing the barefoot minimalist shoe called Paluva. I'm absolutely loving those these days. I wear them around the house even a lot. When the weather's warm, I tend to go barefoot around the house, or perhaps even wearing socks. Or if it's cold,
Wearing a barefoot minimalist shoe like that around the house is fantastic because you get the kind of health benefits of the barefoot walking experience, but at the same time you got a bit of warmth from the shoes. Any questions about any of these moves that you're seeing? Leave a comment down below. Always love hearing from fellow jump ropers, jump rope enthusiasts, fitness enthusiasts. Heel toes. Rear toe taps, shake out the feet a little bit. Get a few taps on each foot. You can even do in an alternate fashion like so. Got a lot of tutorial videos on those moves, the rear toe taps, the heel toes, tap and heel, feet crossing, and a can kick into a boxer step. You might have seen Sylvester Stallone perform in Rocky. Any questions about any of the moves, let me know down below. I can link you up to a tutorial video. Regular 2-foot balance. Side straddle. Into a scissor. Alley shuffle. And if you make a mistake like that, it's all good. It's a good time to move my hat a little bit. Starting to get warm. Crisscrosses. Cross to my left arm over my right here. But of course, you want to practice both. When I first started learning crisscrosses, that was actually easier for me, the right arm over the left. So I started practicing with the left arm over the right. And when you know it, it became almost my preferred way to cross, but still like to do both from time to time. Crossovers are great for coordination. Of course, you can do maybe 2 feet together, even just 1 foot. A big benefit of doing them with just 1 foot on the ground at a time is that there's less space that the rope has to go around. If you have your 2 feet on the ground, it, for many people, increases the chances of the rope getting caught on their feet. But by reducing the space that the rope has to travel by, it can make it a little bit more easy. So some people Believe it or not, I find doing crisscrosses on one leg easier than 2 feet, or they find in the run in place easier than the 2-foot crisscross. I was doing a lot of double unders and triple unders yesterday. Got a few nice videos on the way. You guys, if you like reading and you enjoy jumping rope, I would love it if you check out my book on Amazon called Jump Rope Johnny and the Inspiring Mr. P. It's a very uplifting story and based on true events. So I absolutely loved writing that book. I've received some tremendous feedback. I'd love it if you check it out. I think if you enjoy jumping rope and you enjoy reading and you like uplifting, positive, inspiring stories, I think you'll like it. So I left the link down below in the description. That book is $6.99 on Amazon right now. Okay, I'm gonna take a little bit of a rope change. Switch your ropes here. I've got a 3-pound battle style heavy rope here, so I'll use this for a little bit. You notice my feet are staying on the ground between each hop. Because I'm spinning the rope slower, my feet can afford to stay on the ground a little bit longer. And actually, when I'm spinning this rope right now, I'm letting the momentum of the rope move in my hands. The handles are moving with the momentum of the heavy rope. So I'm just keep my grip very loose here, letting the rope spin or turn in my hands. So this rope is 3 pounds. Even though this might not look tiring, it's quite challenging. So, the good thing with this heavy style rope is it can teach you that you don't need to jump in such a hurry. You know, when we're learning how to jump rope, we can be a little bit impatient sometimes. We're excited, and our timing, we haven't got our timing in sync yet. With a rope like this, you can see the rope going over your head, and then jump. You can see it getting close to the ground. You have time. That's one great benefit of a heavy rope. Of course, you could, over time, when you get used to it, just spin the rope faster. Okay, so it's a 3-pound battle style heavy rope. Good bit of weight in that.